Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Fong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're focusing on illness. But you know what? Sometimes it could just be some common pain or getting hurt. 其实呢，我们要聊这些病痛之外，其实常常会发生，就是可能撞到脚会痛啊，或者是肚子会痛啊，或者是头痛啊，其实都是 pain 就是一些是痛。那头痛，很多人会常常头痛 ，OK？ 我常常会头痛 ，I have headaches frequently。
捱接接會頭拿痛，
捱接接會頭拿痛。
那還有海陸腔的頭痛。
Okay, yeah, a different dialect for headache is
頭拿痛。
頭拿痛，要不然剛剛視線是
頭拿痛。
頭拿痛 ，okay, different tones, different dialects. Or sometimes you eat a meal and you have an upset stomach, or maybe even diarrhea, who knows? 有时候是吃坏肚子，就会肚子痛。所以要怎么说？
肚子食到唔肚好，會痛。
我記得你以前教過我啊，你要騙我嗎？就嘔力肚啊就好了。
嘔力肚就是直接去廁所了啊。
Because I learned this term before, 嘔力肚, and I thought that's what it is if you have an upset stomach, but I forgot it's actually going to the bathroom and having diarrhea. If it's simply just an upset stomach and you're feeling painful, then you say
肚子食到唔肚好，會痛。
肚子食到唔肚好，會痛。
Yeah.
Or another thing that might occur is you're walking in your room and you bump your knee into a table. 有时候是膝盖啊或脚啊会撞到桌角，然后很痛，痛死我了。怎么说？
切頭衝到足腳。
你哪知道我切頭的時候去弄點？
不是，我是說你的膝蓋，不是說你玩的時候，不是說你在玩的時候。
我以為 Alice 很懂我為什麼會撞到桌角。
不過常常都是這樣，沒有注意在玩的時候就會撞到。
所以切頭是膝蓋，是不是？
對，切頭。
切頭，that's your knee。
衝到足腳。
足腳 Oh, that means you hit your knee against the corner of a table， 就撞到桌角的意思。然後痛死我了，怎麼說？
痛到會死。
痛到會死，不對啊 ，Alice 啊，痛到會死應該要語氣要很痛苦才對啊。
OK，痛到會死。
There, that's more like, oh my goodness, it hurts. 痛到會死。So there you have it, some terms associated with pain in Hakka. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.